Alright, welcome back. We are here once again. Remember what we've been doing? We learned how to find the average. We learned how to rank the positions. We've also learned how to rank the position without jumping a tie. And as you can see here, we have the average using the formula that appeared there. Rounding the average to the whole number, we have it. Today, we'll be looking at what we call the subtotal and its function. Okay, let us look at this. If I type a formula like this equal to subtotal, okay, and I open my bracket 1, comma, B2 ratio D2. This has always been our scores that we've been using. Wow, you can see it gives us the same average. Now let us see what we get. Let's fill it and see whether every other one gives us that same average. Of course, we are having the value of the averages there, as you can see, then the same average. But what is the difference between subtotal and using the average direct? Let's proceed and see. If I type another one here, equal to subtotal, and instead of using 1, I use 2, comma, then B2 ratio D2. Okay, and do it. Now I am having 3. Okay, let's see. Let me fill it and see. Everything here is 3, 3, 3. What that thing is telling us is between B2 and D2, how many cells have value inside, and there are 3, which is B, C, and D. Likewise, every other one there. But there are more to it again. Let us do another one. If we use 3 there, what will happen? Equal to subtotal, sorry, subtotal, and I say 3, comma, B2 ratio D2. Okay. Wow, I'm still having 3. Same 3. Fill it. The same 3, 3, 3. Does it mean using 2 and 3 will give us the same value? Well, we'll get to know that later, but let us finish our work first. We'll revisit these two and know the difference. They are not the same. Let's proceed. If I type the same formula, again, equal to subtotal, and at this time I use 4, comma, B2 ratio D2, and close it. Wow, you see this one different. What this one is giving us here is what? The highest number. Let's fill it and see. This one is sorting out the highest value in those cell range. For example, from B2 to D2, the highest number is 65. So that 65 comes out. Likewise here, the highest number is 65, which gives us the 65. The next one, 46, is the highest number. Let us see. Yes, 46 is the highest number here. So this one sort out the highest number if we use 4. Now, let's use 5 and see. Equal to subtotal 5, comma, B2 ratio D2. Okay. Now it's giving us 24. Let's fill everything and see. Good. See the value we have. Now this one is giving us the lowest value. 24 here, meaning between B2 and D2, the lowest value is 24. Of course, 24, 65, 25. 24 is the least. Now 65, 43, 52. 43 is the least there. Let's see whether that is what we have. Of course, 43 is the least there. 0 here in that one. You see, yes, 0 there being the least. Now let us come back to J and K, where we are having 3, 3, 3. We earlier said that this 3 means the number of cells that have value. So what do this one mean? Let us see the difference. If we come here and remove this 65, sorry, if we remove this 65, you will see that both of them are having 2, 2, meaning out of D3 to D3, one of that one do not have any value, so it will not count. It's only 43 and 52 that counted. Okay, now let's come here and remove this one. We are going to have this one 2, 2 as well. But what happens if we put a letter here? Let's say letter A. As we put letter A, what happens? This one remain 2, this one become 3. What that one mean is that when we use 3 in our formula, it is sorting out every cell within that range that contain value, whether the value is number or letter. But when we use 2, 2 only sort out the cell that contain number only, not alphabet. And that is the difference between them. So the summary is the formula is equal to subtotal. Open your bracket first. If we use 1, we are finding average. If we use 2, we are sorting out the cell range that contain numbers. If we use 3, we are sorting out the cell range that contain value, either number or letter. If we use 4, we are looking for the highest value. And if we use 5, we are looking for the lowest value. It's as simple as that. Thank you once again. See you next week. And remain blessed. Follow us, please.